Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my link tree. The link is in the bio. I have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is trust. Trust the process. You didn't come this far to stop. And the right timing, the how and when, don't be worried about that. Just know that you just show up, be ready to play, put out your best effort on a daily basis. And breakthrough's going to come at the right moment, so don't worry about it. Today you may feel as though you're at a halt. Things are not going as fast as you want. Maybe they're not, but it's part of the process. Practice that patience and know you're in the right place in the right time with the right efforts. I trust my life, my intellect, and my strengths. Each moment guides me to my light. Everything on my path is placed there for my growth. And as you grow, you become stronger, you become wiser. Therefore, you can maintain bigger blessings. So Spirit can bless you with bigger and better things because you trust the process and you worked for it. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.